I'm here with Peter MacDonald, Research and Development Manager for Gamesa. Tell me, so just inaugurated the first machine, the first 5 megawatt machine in Spain. How is it different from anything else we've got?
Well, the 5 megawatt we've just put in prototype in Spain. We managed to get design certification for that off DNV back in December 2012, and then that allowed us to put the prototype up this June. So we put the prototype up in June, and since July it's actually been supplying the grid over in Spain, supplying something like 7,500 houses over there. So on that turbine we really have focused on cost of energy. So we believe that turbine can reduce the levelised cost of energy in the wind industry.
Great. And so we've seen other developers, other manufacturers rather, developing machines that are 8 megawatts, even 10 megawatts. Why have you decided to go for a 5 megawatt machine?
Yeah, but I think the main point there is the wind industry has settled on a sort of a 5 to 8 megawatt range for the offshore turbines. We've come in at a 5 megawatt because we really appreciate that it's very project specific. There'll be some projects that for sure our 5 megawatts will be much more cost effective than putting in 8 megawatts. And some of the design features we've got in the 5 megawatt, it's a very, very light turbine, so it lets us go much deeper waters on monopile installations, which potentially can save 30% of your capex costs on a major project.
And it's not just going offshore. You have, I believe, made some sales in Finland for it to be used onshore. How is it going to work, such a big machine onshore?
Well, I mean, that's right. I mean, the onshore ones, on some countries they're sort of restricted by tip height, but in other areas, more remote areas, especially in Finland, we've been able to supply in the 5 megawatt. We have orders for that, and it will be installed very north of Finland, very arduous conditions. So it sort of ties in with the offshore conditions, so it's really a turbine that's fit for onshore or fit for offshore.
Thank you very much, Peter.